Today we start here first standard new portion. There is shape and shape, shapes and space. Okay. First one, all of you know now how many shapes? All of you know shapes. Which thing this one? This is a, what is this? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay. How do you recognize this one is a triangle? They have 1, 2 and 3 sides there. 1, 2 and 3 sides are there. So you call that one triangle, and all lines are joined with a connected. Okay. When 3 lines join in a closed figure, this one figure is open? No. Anywhere open? All have closed. So you call that one triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. Triangle have 3 sides. Right there, this is a triangle. This is your triangle. Next one. There are 4 sides. There are 4 sides. All sides are equal. All sides are equal, and all sides are joined in a point. All sides are joined in a vertex point. You call that one square. All sides are same. They have 4 sides and all sides are same. Next one. This is your rectangle. You call that one rectangle. Rectangle have opposite sides are same. Opposite sides are same. Okay. Opposite sides are same. You call that one rectangle. They have also 4 sides. They have also 4 sides. Okay. They have 4 vertex also. Means 4 line, 2 lines meet in a one point. They have not a open figure. This is a not a open figure. This is a closed figure. Okay. Next one. They have no lines, no vertex, but this one is a closed figure. You call that one circle. You call that one circle. Understand? This is your circle. And next one, call this one shape oval. You know na egg, that shape. Okay. Now open your textbook. You have a textbook, so open your. You have not textbook. This one is a scanner. You have scanner app download there. You scan this one. That time, that this one lesson open in your mobile also. Okay. Means there is not printed 1 to 2 lines. Anyone. That time you scan that one, and that time open that lesson in your notebook. Now first one we learn here inside and outside. They give one story. They give a story. Okay. That story, first one we learn here. Then we do the 1, 2 activity. 1, 2 things I show you. Okay. So student, first one see here. The Arab and his camel. The Arab and his camel. He is a Arab and this one is it is a camel. It was a cold winter day. It was a cold winter day. The Arab, what you say, this one picture, Arab. The Arab was traveling on the back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent. उसने क्या किया, उस दिन नाइट को टेंट डाल दिया. एंड वेंट इनसाइड इट, और इसके अंदर वो गया. द कैमल वॉज आउटसाइड. द कैमल वॉज आउटसाइड. He think there, camel was outside, but camel think there, may I put my neck inside because of there is cold winter. आपको ठंड लगती है ना कोल्ड विंटर में, तो कैमल को भी ठंड लग रही है. तो उसने क्या किया, अरब को क्या पूछा, may I put my neck inside. May I put my neck, see this one only. Inside, it is too cold outside. It is too cold outside. बाहर बहुत ठंड है. Okay, okay, you may put your neck inside. What does say Arab? Okay, you may put your neck inside. Then again camel asked, may I put my front leg inside? It is too cold outside. It is too cold outside. See here, first one, he put a neck inside. Then asking him, I put front legs inside. It is too cold outside. मैं अपना आगे वाले पैर अंदर रख सकता हूँ, बाहर बहुत ठंड है. ओके, यू मे पुट योर फ्रंट लेग इनसाइड. तभी अरब बोलता है, ओके, आप अपना आगे का पैर रख दो. कैन आई कम इनसाइड? इट इज टू कोल्ड आउटसाइड. ओ नो, टेंट इज टू स्मॉल फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस. ये टेंट बहुत छोटा है हम दोनों के लिए. ऐसा अरब बोलता है. तभी कैमल क्या बोलता है, सो आई एम कमिंग इनसाइड एंड यू गो आउटसाइड. आई एम कमिंग इनसाइड, यू गो आउटसाइड. मीन्स which things we learn here? First one, Arab make a tent. Arab make a tent. Then Arab go to inside. Arab go to inside, but camel is a outside of a tent. Camel is a outside of a tent. See this one picture. Who is inside in the tent? Who is inside tent? Arab. And who is outside? Camel is there. Understand? Inside and outside. Next one. See here. When one things come, camels inside. See here. Who is inside? Arab also inside the tent, and camels only head inside the tent. Here Arab inside the tent and camels front side inside in the tent. Next one picture, what they do? Camel inside the tent and Arab is outside of the tent. Understand? Inside and outside. Okay. Now I show you two things. Now I show you two things. Now see here. two red pen inside the pen box and one blue pen outside of the pen box. Understand? Two red pen inside in the box and one blue pen outside of the box. Whatever you think. Understand? Now see here, pencil inside in the box, pen stand, and ruler is the outside of the pen stand. Pencil inside in the pen box and ruler is the outside of the pen box. Okay. Here is two things. This one is a one box and this one is a box page is there. Okay. Which is the big and which is the small? This one is a big, this one is a small. Understand? Now also same as it is. See here. Here is one box and one pen. Which is the bigger? Which is the smaller? Which is the bigger and which is the smaller? This one is a big, this one is a small. This one is a big, pen is a small, and this one box is a bigger. This one box is a bigger. Understand? Now open the page number 3. Open the page number. See, here is two eraser. Which is the big and which is the small? This one is a big and this one is a small. This is a bigger eraser, this is a smaller eraser. All of you understand? Now open the textbook page number 3. Here hippopotamus and dog picture as given you. Hippopotamus and dog picture. Which is the big and which is the smallest? Hippopotamus is bigger than the dog and dog is smaller than the hippopotamus. Understand? Now what the question given? Take the bigger. Take the bigger. Which is the big? See here, which is the big? Hippopotamus is a dog. Hippopotamus is a big. So tick there. So tick there. Okay. Now tick the smaller. Here one lip given and one short lip is given. Small lip is given you. Okay. This is your banana tree's lip and this one is your flower lip. Which is the bigger? Banana lip is a bigger and flower lip is a smaller. Flower lip is a smaller. So which is the big? Banana lip. What they asking you question? Tick the smaller. Tick the smaller. This one is a small. So tick there. Now next one. Here is a squirrel and one cow. Squirrel and one cow. Which is the big? Cow is big. Yeah, squirrel is a big. Squirrel on the tree. And cow live in a shed. Which is the big? See of you. Cow is a big na and squirrel is a small. So you tick their smallest. Tick their smallest. Understand? Okay. Now next one. Tick the smaller tire. Tick the smaller tire. This one is a smaller tire and This one is a big. Compare there. See which is the big and which is the small. This one. First one boy's tire is a big and second one boy's tire is a small. Okay. So whose smallest tire? This one. Second boy's. So tick there. Understand? Now also same. Bigger and smallest, biggest and smallest. Biggest is the same thing. Biggest means so. So far means बहुत ज़्यादा. आपने इंग्लिश में पढ़ा ही होगा बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट, स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. This one word created na. Now biggest and smallest. See here. 1, 2, 3 trees are here. Take the smallest tree. You compare there with the height. You compare there with the height. See here. All they are stand on one line. All they are stand on one line. And you compare there. This one is a here. This one finish here. Means this is a biggest tree. This is a middle tree. And this is your smallest tree. What they asking the question is there? Take the smallest tree. Tick there. Okay. Now tick the biggest animal. Tick the biggest animal. First one, semi. Elephant you see there? Elephant you see there na? Elephant is a so big and so fat. Then you see the cat also. Cat is a so small. And dog also is a middle. Okay. In compared to the cat and elephant. Cat and elephant. So cat is a smaller. Dog is a big and elephant is a biggest. Biggest. Okay. So where you tick there, elephant on elephant, tick there. Understand? You see all animals. This one, cat, dog and elephant also you see. Next one, tick the smallest fruit. Tick the smallest fruit. Which fruit given you? Mango, cherry and watermelon. Mango, cherry and watermelon. Now see here, cherry. Cherry all of you know. Cake decorate there with a cherry. There is small cherries, red color. That one, this one. Then mango also you see. Also it. And watermelon also. So which is the smallest? Cherry is this one size. Mango is this one size. And watermelon is this one size. Means here I use 2 hands. Here I use 5 fingers. But here I use only 2 fingers. Means 2, 5 and 2 hands. Which is the big 2 hands. Then middle 5 fingers. And there is cherry. So which is the smallest fruit? Cherry is the smallest fruit. Tick there. Okay. Now next one, tick the biggest bubble. Tick the biggest bubble. One boy do the bubbles here. Okay, you compare there. See here, this one is a big, this one small and this one so small. So which is the biggest? This one is the biggest. Tick there. Tick there. Okay? All of you understand now how to do? Now, I give you some homework. Please, that one you write in your notebook. Okay? I also ask you in live class. That one you show that time. Okay? Whatever I give you homework, that is you show in the live class. See here, first one question. Write there today's date. Okay, today's date, which one is a right inside column? First one, write here your topic name and first one question. Tick the bigger. Tick the bigger. Here give you two triangle. First one question. Then second one question have a two trees. I give you two trees. First one question have a two triangle. Second one question have a two trees. Then question number 2. Tick the smaller. First one, I given you flower. Which is flower is a big? Tick there. Okay. Which is the flower is a small. Sorry. Which is the flower is a small? You tick there. Then rectangle shape also I given you. Which is the rectangle is a smaller? That also, there also you tick there. Okay. This one also we draw in your maths notebook and write this one, show this one. Okay, thank you.